Welcome back, guys. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is showing you how to make any object a sphere in Tinkercad. In order to do that, I have set up a few objects in front of us just to show you that it can work on almost anything. We have a square, triangle, sphere, pyramid, and a twisted polygon. Let's go ahead and start with the sphere. What we want to do to start with is bring a ruler in so we can see our measurements. It's very important to see our measurements on this. Next, what we'll want to do is click on the sphere, press Ctrl and D to duplicate the sphere. Next, we're going to turn that duplicate sphere into a hole, and we're going to just change our measurement. So, the more you shrink it, the thicker your shell on your hollow object will be. So if you want a 1mm shell, what you will do is switch everything down to, say, 19mm. That'll give you a 1mm shell on this hollow object. So we changed all of our parameters to 19mm, and then we want to shift click back on the regular sphere, click this align tool and align it in the center, and in the center. Grab both objects and group them together. Now what will happen is we'll have a hollow object right here. So if you come in and look, you can kind of look around and see that it is indeed hollow. How we can also show you this is, let's bring in a cube real quick and just cut this apart. Just drop this down, bring this over, and bring it up so we can just kind of look into the top, group it together, and as you can see, it's hollow. So the sphere is hollow, and it has a 1mm shell all the way around. This also works for other shapes than spheres. For instance, this pyramid. We're going to Control D, and then let's say we want a 2mm thick shell this time. We'll go 18, 18, and 18, and then we're going to make it a hole. Grab them both. Click the align button, align in the center, center, and center. Grab them both, group them, and the inside will be hollow. To prove that once again, here's our handy dandy box. Bring it up, bring it over. Let's cut the top off now. And as you can tell, we have a hollow object once again. Even really complex shapes, like this twisted polygon here. We'll do the same thing. Control D, and we'll go 17, 17, and then 16.99. We'll grab them both. Oh, guess I didn't grab them both. Oh, need to make one of them a hole. That inner one a hole real quick. I didn't do that. Grab that. Align, 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 and align. Group them together. And it'll be hollow on the middle now. Bring in this box real quick just to go ahead and prove it. There we are. Grab it, bring it up. Let's just cut just the tip off of this. Oh. Group it all together, and there we go. So now this is hollow from the inside to the outside, and we have a 3mm thick shell. So there's 3 quick examples, guys, and that's how you make things hollow in Tinkercad. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. Please come back, like, and subscribe so you can see some more. Have a good day.